This video is a very basic overview of Google Drawings. So just like any other Google Doc, I'm going to start by logging into my Google Drive. And now that I'm here, I'm going to click in New and scroll down a little bit to More, and there is Google Drawings. So just think of this as a Google Doc, except we are not limited by some formatting that we would be in Google Docs. Just like a Google Doc, I can name this, whatever I want to call it. And then I am open to adding pictures, shapes, text boxes, whatever I want to this open space here. My work area is just more open. So I'm going to go ahead and go Insert, and I'll start by doing some text box. So I just hold down my mouse and I'll draw the box as big as I want it. I can move it around, and then I can click inside of it and type the words in here. Just like in a Google Doc, I can change the size of the font, the type of font, I can center it. I have all the same tools I would in a word processor. I can shrink up my box. I can change the background color of my box if I want it to stand out. Lots of different formatting options there. But the best part is I can move it wherever I want. If I wanted to center that box, you can see as I move it around, that red line will show up when I'm centered. Okay, so the other great part is I can add shapes. I insert some shapes. I have lots of options here. If I want to make a flow chart, I have arrows, different things I can add there. Or just some circles, like I was explaining, we can do some Venn diagrams. So if I wanted to make a big circle here, insert another circle, or I can even copy this one and paste it. So I have two of the same size. Move those where I want them. I can make them transparent by, again, changing that fill color. That will help that Venn diagram. Okay. So again, I can move things around, line things up, can be really helpful. I can line those up so they're centered. I can move my box back behind here. Get that out of the way. Lots to do, lots to format, lots of different options. So I want you to not be intimidated by Google Drawing. Lots of fun. And just like any other Google Doc, it can be shared. It can be put on Google Classroom. A copy can be made for each student so they could then come back and fill in that Venn diagram with a text box. Just teaching the kids, or you can even have the text boxes already there for them to fill out. And then they make their own version of it. Okay, so lots of different options here. If you'd like to explore this, go ahead and put in a ticket for one of the tech coaches and we'll help you out with that. Thank you.